Welcome to Telugu IT Factory. Please share and subscribe our videos and channel. Question. Please explain what is Dockerfile and its lifecycle? Answer. A Dockerfile is a script containing a set of instructions that define the process of building a Docker container image. It is a text file that specifies the base image, application code, dependencies, and configurations needed to create a complete, runnable container. Dockerfile automates the process of container creation, making it easily reproducible and portable. Dockerfile lifecycle. Create a Dockerfile. You start by writing a Dockerfile, which consists of instructions like from, run, copy, workdir, expose, cmd, and others. These instructions define the base image, application dependencies, configurations, and runtime behavior of the container. Build the container image. Using the Docker command line interface, CLI, you run the docker build command, pointing to the Dockerfile. The Docker daemon processes the instructions in the Dockerfile, building the container image layer by layer. Each instruction creates a new layer in the image, and these layers are cached to optimize the build process. The resulting image is stored in your local Docker registry. Test the container image. Once the image is built, you can test it by running a container using the docker run command. This allows you to validate the container's functionality and performance before deploying it to a production environment. Publish the container image. If the container image meets your requirements, you can publish it to a container registry, such as Docker Hub or a private registry. This makes the image available for others to use and deploy in their environments. To push the image to a registry, you can use the docker push command. Deploy the container. After the container image is available in a registry, you can deploy the container on various platforms that support Docker, such as Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, or cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure. This is done using appropriate deployment tools and configurations specific to the platform. Update and maintain the container image. Over time, you may need to update the application code, dependencies, or configurations in your container. To do this, modify the Dockerfile and repeat the build, test, publish, and deploy steps to create a new version of the container image. The Dockerfile lifecycle enables a streamlined and consistent approach to building, testing, and deploying containers, making it an essential component in container-based development and deployment workflows.